दिल्ली वतना तांचे वांगडा भाजपाचो गोंयचो अध्यक्ष विनय तेंडुलकार आणि भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे आशिल्ले। सोमारा राती ते दाबोळी विमानतळावेल्यान दिल्ली गेले। सोमारा सकाळी भाजप अध्यक्ष अमित शहाक मेळटकीर तांणी रोखडेच आमदार पदाचे आणि काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या वांगडी पदाचे राजीनामे धाडून दिले। उपरांत सांजे दिल्लीतच ते भाजपा पक्षात प्रवेश करतले।
किती प्लॅन्स आहात?
बिझनेस ट्रिप.
फक्त बिझनेस, पॉलिटिकल काय नाही?
काहीच ना,
पॉलिटिकल काय नाही?
काहीच ना, काहीच ना. आम्ही बिझनेसमॅन. म्हाका ती म्हाका दिसता म्हयन्यानीच आसता दिल्ली आसता.
तर किती बिझनेस, पॉलिटिकल?
रिसर्च आय गॉट सम रिसर्च आहे.
पण सर सगळेच काँग्रेसचे उसळती
खूप जण आसा आनी पासल्यान आसा.
थोडे बिझनेस
कारण रिसेप्शनाक आमचे पासल्यान आसा पयलीं.
दुसरे वटेन युती सरकारांतल्या घटक पक्षांचे फुडारी मगोचो सुदीन ढवळीकर आणि गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो विजय सरदेसाय बुधवारा सकाळीं दिल्ली वचून अमित शहाक मेळटले। फाल्यां पर्रीकार मुख्यमंत्री ना जाल्यारय युती सरकारांत रावपाचें काय ना हाचो निर्णय पक्षाची केंद्रीय कार्यकारिणी समिती घेतली अशें ढवळीकरान सांगलां।
Sir, tomorrow meeting portfolios and department.
As per my knowledge, tomorrow's meeting is something different with us. We will be meeting High Command of BJP in Delhi, and I don't know whatever they will, what issues will be discussed there. And after discussion on the issues, then only I can come to the press.
And sir, now Lok Sabha येता आणि suppose if these people join, probably Lok Sabha election.
MGP is the oldest party which is established in 1963. Till today we are in assembly. So my executive committee members are there. President is there, general secretary is there, treasurer are there, and other vice chairperson, vice president. All these people will decide the course of action in the Lok Sabha seats. I should know the issues what they are discussing at Delhi. Then I have to discuss with my party. I got my own party people. They are executive committee members. And after discussion with the party members, with the executive, Vijay is the whole and soul of the party. The way Vijay discuss, I can't discuss it because I got my own people.
Now there is news sir ki Vishwajit has done this and so leader of the house or CM jata. You have any?
As per my knowledge, Vishwajit is capable of doing anything. That is another thing. But unless and until core BJP people from Goa who has not supported to them, it is very difficult. As per my knowledge, all core BJP people who are there right from 1980s in Goa have supported the movement. They also has done something, and that is the reason this is going on.
That means party is strong because of old BJP.
Old BJP people. Party is strong. They got their own cadres. That cadre is working for the beneficial of the party.
राजकारणान हे अचकीत मोडण घेतकीर आता काँग्रेस सगळ्यात व्हडलो पक्ष उरिल्लो ना। दोग जाण गेल्ल्यान आता काँग्रेस आणि भाजपा या दोन्ही पक्षांचे 14 आमदार जाल्यात आणि विधानसभा जाल्या 38 आमदारांची। म्हटल्यार भोवमता खातीर आता सरकाराक जाय 20 जाण। मात दुसरे वटेन आनीकय काय काँग्रेस आमदार फुट्टले अशें काय भाजपा फुडारी हाड्ड्यार हात मारून सांगतात। पणजेच्यान आमचो मुखेल खबराकार ग्लेन कोस्ता, मांद्रेच्यान संदीप कामुलकार आणि व्हिडिओ पत्रकार विराज कामत।